Hey everyone, hello and welcome back to the channel. I am Dan, the founder of Fctr Identity. Today, we are diving into two highly requested features that I'm really excited to show you, Tako CLI and Query History. I wanted to mention a couple of things before we get started. First, I want to give a huge shout out to our early adopters who are using Tako AI and providing incredible feedback. Your input directly shapes these updates. Next, stars on GitHub are a great way to show support and help others discover the project. If you have a moment, please consider giving the repository a star. It would mean a lot to us. Finally, if you need help getting started with the setup, we have made a dedicated setup video which provides a detailed walkthrough of the setup process. Click on the link shown up in the card here, or we will also link it in the description below. Alright, let's jump in. First up is Tako CLI. We are extremely excited to release this feature because not only this is the most requested feature, but also this opens up way more possibilities to use Tako AI in the terminal. If you navigate to the README, we have provided you very simple instructions on how to use Tako CLI. All you need to do is execute the script along with the query you need the results for. The Tako CLI uses the exact same engine and agentic framework you have been used to through the UI, so you will get the exact same results. We also provided a script-only switch. This is useful in case where you want to just generate a script but do not want to see the results immediately, or you want to take that script and run an automation on a schedule. Any of those scenarios would be covered with this script-only flag. There's also another CLI feature we shipped with this release, which is the sync CLI. I do know some of you sync the Okta data to your SQLite database, and sometimes depending on the size of your data, it may take a really long time. You can use this sync CLI command now, so you can schedule it nightly or whenever you think it's right for you. So that way you don't have to wait for the UI, you can schedule this task and your data is ready for the next day. Let me quickly show you how to use these commands. I'm on a Docker setup, so I'll be using the commands provided for the Docker here. Let's switch to the terminal. I'm going to run a very simple command just because this is a demo only and just wanted to show you how this performs. All I'm asking in this query is list all users using API calls only. This way we are skipping the SQLite database. Ignore this warning. We stated this in the README. We'll get rid of it in the next version, but for now you can safely ignore that warning. If you navigate to your base folder where this was set up, you will see a logs folder. Open that and you will see two more folders which shows you there's a folder for results where all the results from the scripts are going to be stored, and you have a scripts folder where the generated script is saved. So you can use this script and then you can schedule it and you can run it from a different machine, any of that stuff like just you do with any other scripts. Similarly, let's run the sync script just to show you how it performs. So I'm going to run the sync Okta to DB py. Again, I'm in a Docker setup, so I'm using the Docker command, and that kicks off the sync just like you would do. So this is perfect if you want to schedule a nightly run and you have fresh data by tomorrow morning. Let's move on to the next one. Next up is the query history. This was also one of the requested features because every time you run a query, you go through the agentic process and then it takes time and tokens for you to get the results. Now we have the query history. You can save your favorite queries, so you can save up to 10 of those. That way, when you need to rerun the query, you just click the run button and it skips the entire discovery process and you get the exact same results as last time. So you can save up to 10 saved favorites, and when you execute them, the results are instantaneous. That's pretty much for this video. Hope you liked the video, and as always, drop us an email at support@fctr.io if you need any further help on setting this up or running into issues. Thank you and hope you all have a great day.